Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make online income. In today's video, I want to talk to you about an email that I got from DoorDash. If you know anything about DoorDash and some of the bigger marketplaces that they are in, they actually segment each marketplace to where there is specific areas that you can dash in those marketplaces. They've been doing it for a long time, compared to like Grubhub and Uber Eats, where you just go onto the platform and the whole marketplace is your area that you can work. Well, DoorDash has stepped up to the 21st century and they are making a change to the way that they segment out the marketplaces. And I want to talk to you guys about this change today because it is a game changer for a lot of people, whether you are only working on DoorDash or you are a multi-apper. Before I get into the topic, I do want to remind you that down in my description, I always have some great tools for you guys. The one I want to talk to you about is my metric spreadsheet. If you don't keep track of your numbers, you do not know where you are. I'm going to throw a quick copy of it here on the screen so you guys can check it out. If you look at the left-hand side, you'll see I always put my start time and my end time. This gives me the total time that I've worked. I also put in the miles, and then if you look to the right for each individual app, I put the dollars that I've made, the time that I worked, along with the number of deliveries. Head to the bottom then, and you'll see that it calculates out what your average dollar per hour, dollar per mile, and your average per delivery. The only way you can improve what you're doing when you're out doing food delivery is if you know where you are. Keeping track of your metrics will help you improve. So if you haven't downloaded it already, go down into my description, grab a free copy of it for yourself. And with that, let's get into the topic. As I said, DoorDash sent me an email yesterday talking about their market segments, and I'm going to throw it up here on the screen so you guys can take a look at it. But the email said, I'm going to read it also. It says, now you can make the most of your time on the road by delivering orders on your way to or from another zone. Whether you're traveling to a new area to get more orders or you want to head back to your starting point, it's now easier than ever to earn money with DoorDash. That was the first part of the email that they sent, and I'm also going to throw up the next part. Basically, it says that how it works is if you want to dash in a zone that you are not currently in, select on the map and tap dash along the way before you start dashing to your to hold your spot. We'll look for orders along the way to your destination, and then in addition, if a delivery takes you outside of the zone that you're delivering in, it's going to allow you to pick up orders outside of your area that you're specifically in, so you don't have to drive back to that marketplace to get, or to that segment to get the orders that you're looking to get. So this is a huge thing when it comes to people dashing, because in my marketplace in Fort Wayne, Indiana here, when I turn on DoorDash, the whole marketplace is my area. It is an area that's about 15 miles north to south and about 20 miles east to west, and I can go anywhere in that marketplace. In the segmented marketplaces, like the bigger cities that DoorDash has, you cannot do that. When you are tied to a specific area, you are stuck in that area, and the way it worked before is you had to actually get out of that dash, and in the area that you're either going to or that you dropped off in, you have to restart the dash in that area. So with this new way that DoorDash is doing things for their market segments, this is really helping out dashers when they are out dashing, because you don't have to get off of a dash and get on another one to be able to get the orders when you're out working on DoorDash. So again, whether you are out working on just DoorDash or you are multi-apping, this gives you a whole lot of options. I've actually used this a couple of times myself when I'm trying to get into my marketplaces, whether it's Auburn, Indiana or Fort Wayne, Indiana. I will click on the area on the map and I will push Dash along the way, and it will actually put me into the Dash before I've hit that marketplace. So by time I get there, sometimes even when I'm not in that marketplace, DoorDash will send me orders, which is a really good thing because it keeps me making money as my car is rolling down the road. So I don't know if DoorDash has rolled this out into every marketplace yet. I know it's in the ones that I work in, and obviously with the email that they sent out, they're trying to roll out to more and more marketplaces so that it can help the Dashers when they're out there make more money. So make sure if it's not in your marketplace yet, you keep an eye on the app and make sure that you update the app regularly to make sure that you have the latest version with the latest features so that you can get the most when you're out there doing DoorDash. Again, Uber Eats and Grubhub, they don't care where you are. If you have the app on and you're in a marketplace, if there's orders, they're going to send it to you. And now DoorDash is joining that feature on their app just the same as Uber Eats and Grubhub. So I'm really happy that DoorDash rolled this out because this is going to really help people get out there and earn money a little bit easier. And the easier that they can make it for you to make money, the more money that you're going to make at the end of the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got a lot out of it. Make sure that you check for this feature if you don't or you haven't seen it yet so that you can get on it too, because it is a game changer for DoorDash drivers, and I am so happy that DoorDash rolled it out. I want to remind you, head down into my description, go grab a copy of that metric spreadsheet for yourself. I also want to tell you about some other tools that I have that you might find useful down there, which is the Beans app and SimplyWise and QuickBooks Self-Employed. These are tools that I use on a daily and a weekly basis when I'm out here doing food delivery. Also would like to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get the great content that I throw out here. Check out my food delivery playlist if you want to learn some strategies on how to make more money when you're out there doing food delivery. And I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.